1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, got a time frame.
Go for a walk.
It's insane,
So we've just rocked up to the Ayers Rock car park. We're going to go for a little walk. So the walk around the rock is the walk around the rock is about 10.5 kilometers. So
essentials.
got some essentials, a bit of fly nets there, a couple of fly nets. Got a little bit of lunch, plenty of water. It's a little bit chilly at the moment, so we've got the long sleeve shirt on, but once that sun pops up over that rock, it'll heat up a bit. So yeah, let's get into it. So the traditional people, Mamala people, would light fires within this cave and prepare their weapons for hunting.
Ash and I have done a lot of travel around Australia, but also around the world, and he's always been the bag mule, the pack mule,
Bag caddy.
the bag caddy. Lucky lady.
Segway tours. How exciting. So Rachel just got accepted into a job that we've been eagerly waiting to hear back from, or about.
From Friday. So we waited the whole weekend, didn't we?
Yeah, so we just got the good news as we're pulling into the Uluru camping resort. So we're very excited. This is the best.
You like had a little, you know, girly squeal.
Had a little girly squeal. Good times, good stuff. So congratulations to Rachel. You. Turn right at the camel.
Yeah. Camel farm is open.
Wasn't it just here? Or
Yeah,
you-
basically. So
No, so there's the tallest, we're just over here somewhere.
yeah, so she said 40, 48.
I think it's like you turn left again. So
No,
we
it's
went.
further down.
Where's the roundabout? We just turned it. Yeah, so it's all over. Because I think that's the taller block there.
Yeah, they're all powered. That's 37.
We're like just
So
here.
yeah, the next one. 48. Where I think we're
I think we're that one there in front of us.
here.
What are we? 48?
48A. Maybe.
Well, that's 48 right there, so we're right there. Cool potatoes.
I think they're called like a Wawa or something like that.
See his run? That's a classic, look at him run.
Careful.
So we just put into the Uluru Resort. We're in the camping area. And we actually we got a bit of a deal here. So you pay for 2 nights and you get 3. Bit of a deal going on at the moment because it's a quiet time of the year. It is February. Now the campgrounds, they're not the greatest. We're not complaining, but
It's like a car park.
it's pretty much a car park. I mean, look how dead it is. It is so quiet. But yeah, we got it really cheap. So what it is, it's a resort. So you've got your high flyers. You've got, in this resort, there's 5 restaurants. There's grocery stores, post office, there's a bank. They've got little tuck shops, you know, little kind of cafe sort of shops. And then they've got like fine dining restaurants.
Maybe a combination, like you've got budget camping,
Yeah.
and then you've got like self-contained apartments.
So we are in like the budget sort of poor travelers campground. So we got to expect it, but there's a pool for us, but it's closed to maintenance. So bit of a shame, but it's all good. Like it, you know, we're 15 minutes from Uluru itself, so it's like a little community. This resort, you drive around in like this massive loop, and you got all the restaurants dotted along the loop. You've also got your you got a petrol station here. All right, so the record for the most expensive diesel goes to Uluru with $2.37.
Bargain.
So that actually breaks the record for the most expensive diesel while traveling. It is convenient here. There's nothing else really out here. So yeah, Uluru Resort. Got this baby bird and it just won't. I think it's lost and it won't stop following us.
No, it was Ash. It was being eaten by the by the Indian miners.
Now it won't leave us alone. It just follows us everywhere we go. And you've got these little Indian miners here.
And they just want to pick it to death.
And I just want to peck it to death. Go away. He's just following us. Literally won't leave us alone. What did we do?
He came to us for help.
He came to us.
He came to me. He landed on my head, and there was miner birds after him.
What do we do? Just walking around a park trying to find its parents. We don't want to leave it. As soon as we leave it, those Indian miner birds just start going at something fierce. So just cruising around the park trying to find the parents. Good morning. So we've had a bit of a lazy morning, a bit of a sleep in. The temperatures in the morning are just incredible. And throughout the night, it's just really pleasant. So decided to have a bit of a sleep in. It's a top of 37 degrees today. So throughout the day, it's stinking hot. Then it slowly cools down throughout the night. Beautiful mornings. Then it just starts raging again. So yeah, decided to treat ourselves to a bit of a lazy morning. Me and Rachel just had a shower, a couple of coffees, and now we're heading into Kata-Tjuta National Park, or the Olgas. It's another incredible rock formation. It's just out near Uluru. So we're going to go out there, have another hike, bit of explore. And today, in fact, is officially the day we're going to head to start heading north to Darwin. So we're going to go check out these rock formations, and then we're going to slowly start heading north to Darwin. Hopefully find a few good bush camps along the way. Extremely excited. Let's see what today brings. So we've just arrived at Kata-Tjuta, and she's looking glorious. It's a very bizarre mountain sort of region. Kind of looks like it's just been placed there by aliens or something. It's very random. But a couple of little facts about Kata-Tjuta is parts of the mountains are actually they're up to 200 meters taller than Uluru. Also, it's made up of 36 boulder style mountains. So
Dome. They say dome-like boulders.
Dome-like boulders. So it's got 36 of these boulders. Parts of the park are actually closing today at 11 AM due to the temperatures rising above 37 degrees. So, oh my God, that is a fly.
Yeah, it's like 38, 39 today.
Yeah, so they close the park because quite a few people have been in trouble. They underestimate the walks, they're not hydrated, all that sort of stuff. So you do need to be somewhat prepared, I suppose. And a lot of people come here who aren't used to the temperatures and they get into a bit of trouble. So yeah, they're closing the park at 11 AM. We've got a few hours. There's several different walks you can do.
They close the Valley of the Winds.
Yeah, so that's the main sort of walk. I think it's like a 10K walk.
Yeah, something like that.
There's a few different walks you can do. We're doing it's the valley.
Walpa Gorge.
So it's I think it's like
short one.
It's like 5Ks or something. So we're pretty happy with that. Is it only?
It's 2.6. I'm pretty sure.
Is that return?
I don't know. I think, is it one way or is it two ways? I don't know. But anyway, it's a short one.
Yeah. So you can pretty much see it here. If I turn the camera around, got these two boulders here. We're walking straight through the guts there. So. Should be good. I can probably hear that wind. It's like hot air conditioning. Rachel's a little bit ashamed of her attire. Mine ain't much better.
Like a bit of a doozy. Like I've got socks and runners. It's not about how you look, but you know.
The flies are quite bad. We've heard from several travellers who have travelled Australia quite well that Uluru is the worst for flies, or up there with the worst for flies, as well as other parts of WA. So
we never thought we would be those travellers, and it's not meant to put anyone down, but we were never bothered by flies previously.
They're pretty brutal. I've eaten about 3.
They go up your nose, in your ears, in your mouth.
And that wind, it's like hot air conditioning. You guys see Rachel? All the way down there. Yeah, we can tell that's where all this will be, where the water kind of stores itself, that's why it's so green. Same as over there, look straight ahead.
Yeah.
Like little oases. Oases?
Oh, we have
like
like an oasis.
What do you call a group of oases?
Oasis.
Like, look, there's an oasis. That's an oasis.
Oasis?
But what do you call multiple oases? So we're getting deep into the valley now, and it is just such a crazy landscape. Also very windy. Makes for good air conditioning. Definitely regret not bringing me fly net. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm getting absolutely bamboozled with flies. Not like Rachel, she's definitely a lot more prepared than I am.
Think ahead and don't eat flies.
Little tip there from Rachel. You got a bit of water coming through here. It's feeding all these little parts of vegetation. You got water pulling over here. You can imagine in big rains, just the water just down there, and this would just be mayhem. Forming a temporary river through here. Is that an echo? Whoa! So this is now the end of our Uluru experience. We've been here for a total of 3 days, and it's been absolutely incredible. It's been absolutely mind-blowing. As a young fella growing up camping, doing a fair bit of camping, always been interested in the bush, fishing, just all that type of stuff. As a young boy, I was always just naturally intrigued and interested by the Aborigines, because to me they were the ultimate bushmen. They were the ultimate survivalists. So when you come to places like this and you take a walk around Uluru and you come to places like this and you actually see where they lived, where they got their water from, where they used to source and hunt their food, your imagination just runs wild. It's like my little kid just came out again, because it's surreal seeing the paintings, and it's such an experience. So if you're into that type of stuff, then this is definitely for you. Also, if you're into just awesome terrain, bizarre terrain, wilderness and the outback, this is also for you. Such an incredible spot, and definitely one of the highlights of my travelling and Rachel's travelling experience. So it's definitely a bucket list location.
Yeah, so we feel like we've ticked it off our bucket list, and definitely I would come back again.
The experience has just been incredible. But for now, it's time to officially start the road to Darwin. So we're going to start punching out some bulk kilometres and head to Darwin. So hopefully find some awesome bush camps along the way. Maybe check out a couple of sites. But for now, we're done in Uluru. Been fantastic. Anyway, we'll see what we get up to.
Starting route to Darwin for 909 kilometres. Continue straight on.